Are you curious what's inside the box of a brand new Secret Lab Omega 2020? Stay tuned, we're about to open our brand new chair. Hey guys, it's Ryan with BTod.com. Due to the high amount of requests that we've had for new Secret Lab products, we've brought in a couple new chairs, one of them being the Secret Lab Omega 2020. This is an updated version of their previous Omega chair, and so we are going to do some content on this chair, some reviews, comparisons, but we're going to start out here first with an unboxing, just showing you everything that you should be expecting to get in the box of your brand new Secret Lab chair. So one thing that I will say about Secret Lab chairs is they do a very good job of having really nice packaging, but there is a ton of it, so be prepared to open a lot of things and throw away a lot of garbage, basically. One thing that I do like about Secret Lab chairs, and I'm sure that this chair is no exception, yes, is that they give you a huge board to assemble things on. Very easy to read, ton of pictures, some good safety information on the bottom, and it's basically impossible to lose this thing. It's impossible to ruin it with stuff like water. So really cool idea from Secret Lab, and I am a big fan of this. And then, as always, they just have their little packet, little more owner's manual type information. We'll start getting into taking this chair out of the box. So there is going to be a lot of hard cardboard inserts, a lot of foam wrapping, just to make sure everything is really well protected. I know that Secret Lab does put a huge focus on making sure the chairs arrive in good condition. Not always completely preventable, but this type of packaging does give it a really good chance. So first we're going to take out, come on, backrest. Protected in a nice thick plastic bag here. Some foam inserts. What we have here looks like a lumbar pillow. Whoop. An accessory box. So what do we got here in the accessory box? Looks like we're gonna have casters, cylinder cover, and then all of the hardware. Again, very cool packaging. Looks like we've got a couple layers of stuff here. So as you can see, Secret Lab likes to have everything very neat and organized and presented in a very professional manner. It's very nice because you're going to find everything's going to look nice. A little bit more garbage than most chairs, but it's going to be a trade-off. We got here, pillow, headrest pillow. Then I assume this is the mech. Let's see if I can get this out of here. What is it stuck? There we go. We've got the mech here. Some foam protecting it, some bubble wrap. Whoop. And a ton more foam inserts just to make sure everything is stable in the box and not moving around. We got chair base, also in really thick plastic. They definitely go above and beyond with their plastic. A lot of chairs don't have really thick plastic like that. Looks like the last component we have is going to be the seat and armrests. And then that should be everything out of the box. One big foam insert here. Put the box to the side. So this is everything in the box. I'll go ahead and take everything off so you can see the final product, what everything's going to look like in the end. So that's going to be it. That's going to be everything that's going to come in your box for your brand new Secret Lab Stealth Omega 2020. Make sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton more videos with these chairs, Secret Lab specifically. Thanks a lot for watching.